My name is Nobin Biandan, and for today's video, I'm going to show you the world full of patterns. Like the Fibonacci numbers or series, it is a series of numbers in which each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. For example, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5.
Take a look at the body of flowers. It is counted as 1, but when it grows, become 2, and then it grows its branches, and it has now 3.
So now, we move on to the world of golden ratio. The golden ratio has a graph that called golden spiral.
It can see in plant, like the taro leaves. It has the shape of the golden ratio. It can also see in animals. Look at this cat. It has the shape of the golden spiral.
So that's all, guys, and I hope that you have learned so many things today. And I just want to say that there's a mathematics everywhere.